Welcome downtown Greer, also known as Greer Station. My name is Derek Blanding, a realtor here in South Carolina with Next Home, Lenny Gaines & Co. I'd love to help you with your questions regarding real estate, buying, selling. Greer is super nice. They've made a lot of investments here. This is Trade Street. I love the twinkle lights, look awesome at night. I think they did this about 3 to 5 years ago. Time just slips away. Love the brick roads that they have done. A lot of boutiques, men's clothing, fine dining, casual dining. We're going in Cartwright Food Hall to pick up some lunch. Support local. Keep dollars in your community. Very walkable, easy parking. They have a parking deck, Jason Street parking garage. So here's the Cartwright Food Hall. Like a military vehicle. It's really cool. He left the key in there. Flying Fox Coffee. Love the mural. It's historic. It's a nice sign there. And the mason jar. Open air concept. Realized I was not even recording. Welcome back to the video. We're downtown Greer, aka Greer Station. Love the architecture of the buildings, the brick-lined streets. We've got an oyster restaurant. Love the water tower. Got a Rick Irwin's up here. I've been to the one in Clemson, South Carolina. Really awesome. Gregory's up there. The municipal court is up there. Image East Video. I've used their service to convert a VHS to a digital file. Abbott Custard. I love a show called Abbott Elementary. It's a beautiful day out. Easy parking. Love the trees. Ooh, that's very nice. Outside dining. That is nice. La Santa, modern Mexican. Taco Tuesday, 5 tacos for $12. I don't even think I can eat 5 tacos. Wow. But I was saying before I realized I wasn't recording that the mason jar, I got a salad there and I thought it would be in a mason jar and it was not. I was not able to use the coupon I wanted to use. Buy one menu item, get one menu item. So I gifted it to another patron. This is very nice. Support local, y'all. We're going to the Cartwright Food Hall. All right, here we are. not gonna be able to eat all this, but I had a coupon, so let's eat some sushi. Just finished eating some sushi, half of it, and it was really good. So I've been experimenting with YouTube Live today, so it's kind of like I have to double back, and I don't know what I've captured on this video versus the other videos, so be sure to watch both of them. Grace Church. Goodness. All right. City Hall, right beside the city park. Nice flowers. They have a lot of events here. Farmers market, food trucks. Dedicated July 4th, 2009. Sierra graduated high school. It's a very nice city hall. We're approaching the amphitheater. Lord. Lord. Okay, there we go. The amphitheater, what a view. They just turned off the water, but that's a fountain. Cemetery beside the park. Have a good time out here. Thing about springtime, summertime is back comes the leaf blowers and weed eaters and lawnmowers. Come on. Okay. Nice fountain. This park is a great place to take pictures for prom or gender reveals, proposals under the gazebo. They have an event venue right there. Yep. So that's nice as well. Some swings, great place to walk a dog. So the park backs up to these new apartment homes called Park View. Get it? The view of the park. Downtown living. I saw a studio is available for like $1,100, $1,200 a month. So is that bad? I think it's okay for the times we're in. Downtown living. Back when I was in college, I think you could get a studio for about the upper 600s, lower 700s. So, yep. Nice little building here at the corner. I mean, a very small chapel. It looks amazing. Walking back to the garage now. Hampton Inn is the newest hotel downtown Greer. So thanks for taking the time to watch this video. If you have any questions regarding South Carolina real estate, where to get started, please reach out. Your servant leader in real estate, that's me, at 864-934-8329. Thanks, and have a blessed and prosperous day. Thank you so much for subscribing, watching this video, watching this channel, watching other videos. All you need is that Google YouTube login and hit the thumbs up button underneath the video. Until next time, peace.